কি খবর का बातें से टीवी।
Ka TVS Khongwir Motors ha khat khandai terik unai lor aja apsaw kala Plie ya kawe ke Jaka Shna Thuk ka bampat ju Kham de yo i ka ha kani ke jala ga jongi bat kalong ru ga baning kong tam e ha kani ke than stay la mingi banyo ya kani ke Jaka Shna Thuk ya ka bal tip kerteng kom ka out of the box service ka jing Plie ya ka out of the box service ha ka snong Dympep kalong ban pensuk i ginong nya asaka jo company TVS ki ba shong basa ha ka than sora la lingkon punsla par ha ki we de ke Jaka bat kumjuru nak benta ke nong jong kai perthei ki buju smart balik kai de ki ar chaka saka thain sora ba chaka thain pur usla hakani ka si lai don langru Samir Kumar Singh ubolong zonal service head east usomna data ubolong area services manager north east usha jahan ali ubolong territory service manager north east katrai jong TVS Khongwir Motors ka kong almita Khongwir ki bahi yang sembat ki pai ba nong song
One, two, and three. Nice acting, Majam. Big round of applause and congratulations to Khongwir TVS.
Ni Plie kani ru bakat don ha Dympep seora. Ye kani ni Plie ni preng kalong ba kajan ya ka seora yo kajan yang lai lingkot ka purusla ka shela kajan. Tipila pan ai khubor lang mafisa kong kasnong ra khubor lang iway pe iway bang gidang ya de sakmat ya kani ka out of box ngi ka service jang TVS Khongwir Motors. Bless you.
Indo kan kisnong kabang empat ju wan menu kam ju kham syang ru di kan kisnong so tuna karo kalong kum ka we ka da ka we ka ri ngi I ba kalong natural te di so tuna ba ki yawan kum ini Jaka ban yu I gini kita ba ko gini gi bawan bat de jong ki TVS officers jongi ki kamlong kisnong ba thamai ki kin hap so tuna chu no sir, this is a new place for us. It's a new place. We enjoy the area, everything, no? So I welcome you so that you will not feel anything while going home. You will be very happy to go home nicely.
Thank you. Thank you.
Hello, itmat yak pidam tang marwe Clemdon jing snosi jing ku slay Pir wai fis yau shilen ter klemdat hai Hadu pim ju yam jat oma Ya thu yanga ku sembare habadum sak nisai Lenter pirwai ya thu yanga balay pigmen ya men siam ka jonga pi ai jing kermen na I jing kang yanga pi kersil dang step pernah ngaken detang we brio ban snap ya pida lei ngam jung ya walang asngap ngong na jing thia ya thu yanga ku sembare habadum sak ne shai lenter pirwai ya thu yanga balay pigmen ya men siam ka jonga pi ai jing kermen
When I came to Kolkata before 3 years, it was really a dream for me at two locations, Gangtok and Cherrapunji, because we were not having any service assistance to the customers who were coming in these locations like Cherrapunji or hilly areas. Even they are coming from the Kolkata also, many riders groups are there for the RTR, Ronin. If their vehicle getting breakdown, or they, if you want, even in local customers who are living here in Shohra, they are also purchasing Entork and Jupiter customers. So they need to go to Shillong for the service, Upper Shillong or Shillong. So now these services are available here at their place. So just I will tell small things about out of box. That out of box is that till now we were having the services available in the box, means workshop, all the services. Now we came out of that box near to the customer place. So no need customers to go at long distance for their getting the services or getting other assistance. Now at a customer place, at customer location, we are available now, and that was the purpose. And thanks to Sam and his sister also, both of them really worked hard to bring this out of the box. It was not easy, location finalization and fabrication of this workshop by themselves. Really they were engaged, I think, from the last 3 months in that. And in Kolkata during our meeting also, they were very keen. Yes, sir, we were bringing this. So within 10 days, I think before 10 days we inaugurated in Alipurdwar. That was first in all India, and this workshop is the second in all India, this type of workshop, out of box. So it's really proud for this Shillong or Shora peoples also, such type of things TVS opened at this location. And in Northeast it's the first one. In Northeast it's the first one. Surely. So thanks all the persons who came here on this location, and I will just request to give awareness to all the public here, so that they will be aware about that. Of course, it's on road, so it's visible to everybody. And wishing all the best to Khongwir TVS to grow and grow, to open many such out of boxes or dealerships in complete Meghalaya and out of Meghalaya also.
Ali lang sir. Kami singan jepi dari dan lang Shna. Alright. Ay staff ti majam nabanta jong TVS Khongwir hangni. And congratulations. Thank you. Yeah, right. Another one, Ajit? Okay.
Yeah, hello everyone. Myself Sameer Singh. I am a zonal head service for TVS Motor Company in East Zone. As you all are aware that TVS Motor Company is the third highest automobile selling, two-wheeler automobile selling company in India, and also it's the first highest selling two-wheeler company for the Northeast area. It's a very pleasure to announce that today we have opened the out-of-box workshop in Cherrapunji in Meghalaya. It's the second out-of-box workshop in complete all India after Alipurdwar. Before 10 days I have inaugurated out-of-the-box workshop at Alipurdwar, and after that second workshop is opened at the Cherrapunji. This workshop actually our purpose was to reach at the customer place and provide the service, and that's really thanks to Khongwir TVS who opened this workshop at Cherrapunji, where all India tourists are coming, and even from the Kolkata, our Apache owners group, our Ronin owners group, those riders are coming here for the service. So they have given us feedback that they would like to get the more TVS workshop on their route. So after Alipurdwar we opened this in Cherrapunji, and further we have planned to open many other out-of-box workshops at other tourist places, where we were able to provide the complete service setups to the customers, where all the warranty, TVS warranty is available, and we can provide the preventive services like free services, paid services, and also we will be able to complete the accidental services also. And it's whatever the services available in our main dealer workshop in Shillong, that same services will be available at the Cherrapunji. All parts will be available here, and also there will be the customer lounge to seat the customer. And if any customer wants to get the services like AMC, RSA, or other facilities available in TVS, that is also available in Cherrapunji. So it's a really pleasure occasion for the Shohra residents and also for that all tourist guys to come here and get the services at the tourist place only. So, and thanks to all the resident of Shohra to give us the opportunity to open here, and thanks to Khongwir TVS who taken this challenge and open this out of box workshop here, and we are giving our blessings and all the best to Khongwir TVS who will give good services here and to the customer satisfaction like they are providing already in the Shillong and Upper Shillong. It's the third workshop we opened here. So thanks to everyone.